Opening shot of the Xpeng X2 driving on a road. The Xpeng X2 is not just your average electric vehicle. It's a flying car. That's right, the Xpeng X2 can actually take off and fly through the air just like a plane. The Xpeng X2 is equipped with 2 wings that fold out when it's time to take off. Once in the air, the Xpeng X2 is powered by 2 electric motors and can reach a top speed of 80 miles per hour. The Xpeng X2 can fly for up to 35 minutes on a single charge and has a range of around 25 miles. This means it's perfect for short trips, such as commuting to work or flying to nearby cities. When the Xpeng X2 is not in flight mode, it operates just like any other electric vehicle. It has a range of around 300 miles on a single charge and can reach a top speed of 100 miles per hour. The Xpeng X2 is not just a concept, it's a real working prototype. Xpeng plans to launch the X2 in 2024, and it's expected to cost around $100,000. The Xpeng X2 is the future of transportation, combining the convenience of an electric vehicle with the freedom of a plane. This is one such invention that is capable of producing organic manure from garbage. This discovery has spread all over the world. Midbox is a design by Timing Technology to treat biowaste on-site in dense urban neighborhoods. The recycling system can turn 2 tons of biowaste into clean organic matter within 18 hours. Timing Technology cooperated with local government to install a midbox for a neighborhood with 5,000 residents. The project eliminated the bad odors from food and piles of waste and improved public sanitation. Most on-site biowaste treatment technology only serves the food industry. Midbox is for everyone, playing a role in people's lives to improve their living environment, thanks to its community-friendly design, efficient operation, and unique business model. I can say that another new discovery milestone has been unveiled. Now organic fertilizer will be produced from waste. Success will come in agricultural work. Proteus is Amazon's first fully autonomous warehouse robot. In a post looking back over the past 10 years since it purchased robotics company Kiva, Amazon has revealed its new machines, including its first fully autonomous warehouse robot. It's called Proteus, and it was designed to be able to move around Amazon's facilities on its own while carrying carts full of packages. The company said the robot uses an advanced safety, perception, and navigation technology it developed to be able to do its work without hindering human employees. In the video posted, you can see Proteus moving under the carts and transporting them to other locations. It emits a green beam ahead of it while it moves, and it stops if a human worker steps in front of the beam. Amazon's aim is to automate the handling of its package carts so as to reduce the need for human workers to manually move them around its facilities. In fact, the e-commerce giant stressed that its robots were designed to create a safer workplace for people. From the early days of the Kiva acquisition, our vision was never tied to a binary decision of people or technology. Instead, it was about people and technology working safely and harmoniously together to deliver for our customers, it wrote. Another new robot, called Cardinal, was also designed with the idea of reducing risk of employee injuries in mind. Cardinal is a robotic arm that picks up packages, reads their labels, and then places them in the appropriate cart for the next stage of the shipping process. Artificial intelligence and computer vision enable it to sort packages correctly.